Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a community on Reddit. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on this icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down till you find the Your Communities section and tap on Create a Community. Now you should type in the name of your community. Then you should select the type of your community. So tap on the relevant one, whether you would like it to be a public, restricted or private community. You can also decide whether you would like it to be a community over the age of 18. So if you feel like to do so, just tap on this button in the right side of the screen, and if you are done with it, you need to press the button down below, thereby creating your community. So now you are ready to add your first post by adding a title and then posting a text, link, image or a video or whatever you want. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.